Good person.
22 carat gold ఉంటుంది.
Hi. You're from family? Yes.
All our
One selfie.
ఇంకా పైగా ప్రూఫ్ కాయలే
మా చాక్లెట్స్ టేస్ట్ చేయాలని
Sorry, I wanted this lace saree. I found it 1 month ago.
నా బాడీ ఇరిగిపోతుంది.
Goshen cinema and cinema. So that's my biggest happiness. Kani Erosu today, because of them, I'm here in front of you, so I'm very happy. Thank you so much. I love the jewelry. It's very lightweight. It's very beautiful.
Please say loudly.
So yeah, thank you for having me here.
So this is our lab jewelry.
Okay.
This is what I'm telling about. As well as
Okay.
lightweight as well.
Okay.
So it's in the same set where in diamond costs you around it would be costing you around just 5 to 10,000. So that's the specialty of lightweight.
Okay.
ఫోటో ఆప్షన్ ఇద్దాం ఫస్ట్ మీరు నిలబడి ఫోటో ఆప్షన్ మేడం అంతా పట్టుకుంటారు
Just keep it natural. So keep it natural.
This one.
And that is your?
This is Victorian collection.
Oh, lovely. Nice. And that is the traditional.
Temple jewelry where you can see Radha Krishna is making it.
So pretty.
So this is what I was talking about, Kriya. It's about creativity, more lightweight.
Oh, lovely. So pretty, Radha Krishna. Normally what happens is when you buy jewelry, it's a funny story about my wedding. I wanted to be a South Indian bride. So everything was ready. I got my entire jewelry ready. For many years my mother was collecting because I told her very early that I want to wear a sari, I want to be a South Indian bride. But this Patti, Vadana, we forgot. My mother is like, oh, but you never wear bell. I said, no, but that's the whole look. So a week was left and then she suddenly ran and got me Vardhana. So they got the whole Vardhana ready. Kani Lakshmi Garu face was there. Like, what is this? My mother's like, nobody will. They're chala clear. I don't know how do you do that. They're very clear workmanship. Yes. So
That's what your specialization.
it's a lot of hard work.
Yes. We are trying to find the artisans who will give importance to Ammavaru's face or Ram Parivar. So that is a highlight. Even if the other is not a highlight, we don't want the god to not stand out.
Yeah, because that's such an important Indian jewelry. I think I've hardly ever bought anything that's not Indian. Because like she said, our artisans are like so talented, but like sometimes you're like, okay, I need the jewelry, and you don't look at the hard work that's gone for thousands of years. So I'm really happy that they're trying to pick that out because this one is just stunning. My mother is a Krishna Bhakt. This is beautiful that you can actually see Radha Krishna's face, and it's very clear, very clear. I should buy a Radha Krishna pendant. very happy. So yeah, thank you for having me here. I love buying jewelry. So every time I come, like today for me, it's like exploring different jewelry. I think every woman loves jewelry. Yeah, I saw, and they're very light. That's the
Speciality of this is the back.
Kani I love this.
This is the Amawar.
Yeah. And there's one with the yeah, it's very good. And I think the first one is very pretty.
Upcoming projects.
I just dropped like I think 1 month ago, 3 days ago. It's a show that I did with Karan Johar, produced it. So that's one. After that, I'm doing a film with Teja Sarja is there. So I'm doing that in Telugu. And I did a song in Surya's film in Tamil. So yeah. I know what amazing, what amazing win. Very proud of him. He's always very quiet, centered, quietly sitting in the corner, very hardworking. He works really, really hard. One thing, he'll work very, very hard. He'll do like multiple retakes. And a lot of like once I was shooting for a song, he had a little injury also, but no one knew up until the song was over. I think that was bad. But he's just an amazing soul, very happy, and he was very last few years. Every time he was very committed about doing something for the people. So it's great that people have chosen him, and I'm sure he'll do miracles.
Any compromise?
I haven't done cockroach. No. Why do you want me to do cockroach?
Very powerful lady.
Thank you so much.
And when coming to
What is your favorite collection, madam?
Most your favorite one?
Favorite what?
Solid Bollywood.
I call it a
And already you had with Balaji. So is there any chance of choose her again?
I would love to work with Chulu sir again. I had some great conversations with him and all the love. I am super very, very grateful. And I hope I continue to be part of your life and keep telling stories. Thank you.
It is located at KPHP, road number 1. సో మన దగ్గర లగ్జరీ జ్యువెలరీ ఉంటుంది ఎట్ అఫోర్డబుల్ ప్రైజింగ్. ఓకేనా, మన దగ్గర ఇప్పుడు 5.99 స్టార్టింగ్ ఇనాగ్రల్ ఆఫర్ లాగా 5.99 BAతో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. గోల్డ్ మీద ల్యాబ్ గ్రౌండ్ డైమండ్ 21,000 మీద స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. మీకు బయట డైమండ్ ప్రైజెస్ తెలుసు, ఇక్కడైతే ల్యాబ్ గ్రౌండ్ డైమండ్ ప్రైజెస్ మనము 21,000 స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర కలెక్షన్ వచ్చేసి గోల్డ్, ల్యాబ్ గ్రౌండ్ డైమండ్, సిల్వర్లో మనకు ఆర్టికల్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఇట్లా ఫ్లవర్ స్పాట్స్. మీకు ఇక్కడ చూస్తే సంగీత్ వేసుకునేటట్టు ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ చూస్తే ఎంగేజ్మెంట్ సెట్స్ ఎట్లా ఉంటాయో అట్లా ఉన్నాయి. సో మీకు ఏ టైప్ ఆఫ్ జ్యువెలరీ కావాలన్నా ఇక్కడ దొరుకుతుంది. ఇదే వెరైటీ ఉంటుందని లేదు. అక్కడ మీకు చూస్తే విక్టోరియన్ కలెక్షన్ ఉంది. సో అన్ని వెరైటీస్ ఇక్కడ దొరుకుతాయి. సో ఇప్పుడు శ్రావణ మాసం కాబట్టి దీని మీద ఫోకస్ చేస్తున్నాం మనము. అప్కమింగ్ స్టోర్స్ అయితే ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న మన పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ బట్టి తర్వాత స్టోర్స్ ప్లాన్ చేయొచ్చు. మాకు తెలిసి నెక్స్ట్ 1 year తర్వాత ఇంకో స్టోర్ డౌన్ ద లైన్ ప్లాన్ చేయొచ్చు. జ్యువెలరీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మా పార్ట్నర్స్ అందరికీ ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ పవన్ గారు ఉన్నారు మా పార్ట్నర్. సో వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ కృష్ణ గారు ఉన్నారు, శ్రీనివాస్ అంకుల్ ఉన్నారు. సో వీళ్ళందరూ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పర్సన్ వేర్ దే ఆర్ ఆల్సో సపోర్టింగ్ అస్ టు మూవ్ ఫార్వర్డ్. ఇవి 18 క్యారెట్ ఉంటుంది. 11th month వరకు కట్టాలి. 12th month కంపెనీ బోనస్ ఇస్తుంది. దాని తర్వాత మీరు